Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious baklava recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a 1-pound package of Phyllo dough, about 1 cup of melted butter, and your choice of nuts, such as walnuts or pistachios. Don't forget the ingredients for the syrup: sugar, water, and a touch of lemon juice or honey. Make sure your Phyllo dough is thawed overnight in the refrigerator for best results. Now, let's assemble our baklava. Start by brushing your baking pan with melted butter. Lay down about 8 to 10 sheets of Phyllo dough, brushing each individual sheet generously with butter. Then, spread a portion of your chopped nut mixture evenly over these layers. Repeat this process, adding 5 to 6 buttered Phyllo sheets, then more nuts, until all your nuts are used. Finish with several more buttered Phyllo sheets on top. Before baking, it's crucial to cut your baklava. Use a very sharp knife to cut through all the layers, creating diamond or square shapes. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly later. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the baklava for approximately 60 to 75 minutes, or until the top turns a beautiful golden brown and the edges appear crisp. Keep an eye on it to prevent overbrowning. The final step is adding the sweet syrup. While your baklava is still hot from the oven, immediately pour the completely cooled syrup evenly over the entire surface. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle. This temperature difference helps the baklava absorb the syrup properly, ensuring a moist and flavorful dessert. Let it sit, uncovered, for at least 4 to 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to fully soak. Garnish with extra nuts before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.